Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create a calendar for social media on Canva. So the first thing you have to do is to log into your account, and you can, just to save time, just type in calendar here on the search bar. And once you're done, click on enter, and then you would see a list of templates that you can customize. Okay, so these are all the templates available, 7,642 templates. You can also create a new calendar, or you can edit any one of these. So you can just scroll down. Okay, this one has calendar, but each page is a calendar. It's not holistic like this is just a single calendar page. This has 12 or 13 slides, for one slide per month, and I think is the rest for some of this. Is like that for some of this. So it just depends on the type of calendar you have in mind. Do you want it to have some goals or some important dates? You can choose this, or quotes, or whatever it is that you need. Okay, let's say I love something like this about animal. All you have to do is click on it to customize. Then it pops up and expands. You can check each page to be sure it's what you really want, and then once you are done checking and confirming, click on customize these templates, and then it should bring you to a page like this, rather, not table. And then from this page you can edit each page individually. You can edit them properly and customize them to your taste. So you can also change the pictures, change the fonts, change the color, the arrangements, customize, add the name of your company or business below, and once you're done, you can download it to your system. So this is how to customize or create a social media calendar with Canva. If you've enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comment section, and let me know if you want me to do a video like this or any other type of video. Thank you very much, and do have a great day.